Alright YouTube, here's my Verde Cadet. I got a bunch of new stuff to it. I got Animal GLH tires, Odyssey GI pegs, Animal Hamilton PC pedals. These are really good. I got an Animal Cush pivotal seat, an Animal seat post, and an Animal seat clamp. We got some Rasta tape. Got an Animal GLH on the front, Odyssey GI peg. I have Animal Jump Off Remix stem. It's a really good stem. And I have FBC bars, so fit. Colt Faith grips, Colt bar ends, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But it's a really good bike, and here's the hub sound. Yeah, so that's my Verde Cadet bike. It's pretty light. It's like 23 pounds. 22 pounds, but they're need a new sprocket though. It's bent right about there. Sprocket's not that good. Yeah, I'm gonna be getting a new sprocket and a new front hub because this one, I don't know, it gets really loose all the time, so I have to get a new front hub too. So yeah, I'll be making a new video once I get my sprocket pretty soon. I think I'm gonna get a Colt member sprocket, and I don't know what front hub I'm gonna get. So if you know of any good front hubs, let me know. Or if you know how to fix them. I don't know, because I really want to get a back hub, but I don't know. It's all good. Alright, thanks for watching.